The F-35 Lightning II is the backbone of modern air superiority, but deep in the classified vaults of the Pentagon, the future is already here, and it makes today's stealth fighters look obsolete. This is not an evolution, it is a revolution. Welcome to the dawn of the 6th generation of aerial combat. This is the US Air Force's next-generation air dominance program, the platform the world knows as the NGAD, or as insiders call it, the F-47. Forget everything you know about traditional fighter design. Look closely at its revolutionary architecture. There are no vertical tails and no horizontal stabilizers. It is a pure, lethal, blended wing-body stealth configuration designed from the molecular level to be virtually invisible to any radar on Earth. The F-47 isn't just built to dogfight, it is built to command an entire battle space, controlling autonomous drone swarms and completely dominating the electromagnetic spectrum. This is the ultimate expression of American air power, and it is ready to change the rules of war forever. What makes the F-47 truly terrifying to adversaries is how it achieves its performance. Traditional fighters rely on vertical tails for stability, creating a massive radar cross-section. The F-47 throws that rulebook away entirely, using advanced computerized fly-by-wire flight control systems to constantly stabilize its tailless frame in mid-air. Its propulsion system is equally revolutionary, utilizing adaptive cycle engines that can shift modes for maximum fuel efficiency during long-range patrols or deliver earth-shattering thrust when it enters a combat zone. Add in deeply embedded, serpentine engine exhausts that suppress infrared signatures, and enemy heat-seeking missiles are left blind. It is a ghost in the sky that can strike from ranges and angles no current defense system can anticipate or track. To maintain total stealth, a fighter can't carry weapons on external hardpoints, and the F-47 solves this with massive internal weapons bays designed to conceal heavy payloads of next-generation hypersonic missiles. But its true lethality isn't just what it carries, it's what it controls. The F-47 acts as the literal quarterback of the skies, operating as a manned command ship that directs loyal wingman stealth drones into high-risk airspace ahead of it. While the unmanned drones absorb enemy fire, jam radar systems, and scout targets, the F-47 coordinates the entire tactical web using quantum-encrypted data links. It is a flying combat command center that can orchestrate an entire aerial victory while remaining completely undetected. Building a revolution in the skies demands unprecedented engineering, and the numbers behind the F-47 stagger the imagination. Designed to replace the legendary F-22, this 6th-generation powerhouse boasts an incredible combat radius of over 1,000 nautical miles and a top speed exceeding Mach 2. Powered by adaptive cycle engines engineered to shift modes mid-flight for maximum range or earth-shattering thrust, it easily outpaces and outlasts any adversary it encounters. Inside heavily fortified flight test hangars at Edwards Air Force Base and across high-altitude proving grounds, ground crews and test pilots are pushing this machine to its absolute limits. As it breaks the sound barrier over the Mojave Desert and coordinates seamlessly with collaborative combat drone wingmen, the United States is forging an unbreakable shield in the stratosphere. When the Boeing F-47 officially takes to the skies for its landmark first flight, it won't just mark a new chapter for the United States Air Force, it will draw a line in the sand that no adversary on Earth can cross. From the engineering floors of St. Louis to the classified test ranges of Edwards Air Force Base, American ingenuity has once again rewritten the laws of physics and warfare. With a planned fleet of over 185 stealth platforms ready to dominate the 2030s and beyond, our nation's skies remain untouchable. Freedom isn't given, it is defended by the absolute peak of human power and technology. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment with your thoughts on the mighty F-47 and hit that subscribe button right now to stay locked onto the cutting edge of American military dominance.